Infinite solutions. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Thank you.
Scene script. Are you struggling with where to start with your YouTube business? The first step is often the hardest, and that's identifying your niche. In the vast ocean of content that is YouTube, the first anchor to drop is pinpointing your niche. This is the specific topic or audience you'll focus on. Think of your niche as your compass, guiding your content creation journey. It's your unique selling point, setting you apart from the millions of content creators out there. Identifying your niche isn't just about selecting a topic you're passionate about, it's about finding a sweet spot where your interests, expertise, and a gap in the market intersect. It's about asking, what can I offer that's both unique to me and valuable to my audience? Once you've identified your niche, it's time to develop a content strategy. This isn't as daunting as it may sound. It's essentially a plan for what content you'll create, when you'll publish it, and how you'll promote it. Your content strategy should align with your niche and cater to the interests of your target audience. It's about delivering consistent value in a way that resonates with your viewers. To do this, you need to understand your audience. What are their interests, problems, and desires? How can your content address these? Creating a content calendar can be a practical way to plan out your strategy. It helps you organize your ideas, schedule your posts, and ensure you're consistently delivering content. Don't forget to incorporate variety into your strategy. While it's essential to stay true to your niche, mixing up your content types can keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. This could mean alternating between vlogs, tutorials, reviews, or whatever content formats resonate with your audience. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your YouTube channel be. It takes time, consistency, and patience. But with a clear niche and a well-planned content strategy, you're laying a solid foundation for success. Remember, a well-defined niche and a solid content strategy are the bedrock of any successful YouTube channel. Once you have a niche and a content strategy, it's time to think about your brand identity and how to make your videos discoverable. Now, what does a brand identity mean? Imagine your channel as a person. How would you describe it? Is it bold, creative, serious, or quirky? Your brand identity is everything that makes your channel unique. This includes your logo, colors, and style. Consistency is key here. If you're using a certain color scheme or type of graphics in your videos, stick with it. This aids in audience recognition, and over time, your viewers will start associating these elements with your channel. Think about some of the famous brands out there, like Apple or Nike. One glance at their logos, and you immediately know who they are. That's the power of a strong brand identity. But having a fantastic brand identity isn't enough. You've got to make your videos discoverable, and that's where YouTube SEO comes in. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. In the context of YouTube, it's all about optimizing your videos, so they appear in search results when people type in relevant keywords. So how do you do this? First, you need to understand what your audience is searching for. What keywords are they likely to use when looking for videos like yours? These keywords should be in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Think of these as the signposts that tell YouTube what your video is about. But remember, stuffing your video descriptions with irrelevant keywords can do more harm than good. YouTube's algorithm is pretty smart and can tell when you're trying to game the system. So, always ensure that your keywords are relevant to your video content. Finally, don't forget about your video thumbnails and titles. These are the first things viewers see when your video appears in search results. Make them catchy, engaging, and most importantly, reflective of your content. A strong brand identity and good SEO practices will help your channel stand out in the crowded YouTube ecosystem. Now, let's talk about the practical side of running a YouTube channel: production and posting consistency. When it comes to production, setting up a dedicated filming space is a step that shouldn't be overlooked. This doesn't necessarily have to be a professional studio. It could be a quiet corner in your home with good lighting, or even an outdoor location that resonates with your content. The key here is to create a space where you can consistently produce quality videos. Next up, equipment. While it's true that many successful YouTubers started with just their smartphones, investing in some essential gear can elevate your content to new heights. A decent camera, a reliable microphone, and a sturdy tripod can make a world of difference in your video quality. Don't forget about editing software either. It's another essential tool that can help you polish your videos and make them more engaging. That being said, don't feel compelled to break the bank. Start with what you can afford and upgrade as your channel grows. Remember, content is king, and quality isn't solely dependent on having the fanciest equipment. Now, on to the topic of consistency. Picture this. You've produced an incredible video, it's gaining traction, but then you disappear. A week passes, then 2, then a month. Your audience is left wondering where you've gone. When you finally post again, you might find that your viewership has dwindled. This is why consistency matters. Consistency in posting doesn't mean you have to post a new video every day. It's about setting a schedule that you can realistically maintain and then sticking to it. Whether it's once a week, twice a month, or every other day, your audience will appreciate knowing when to expect new content from you. Consistency also extends to the type of content you deliver. Ensure that what you're producing aligns with your channel's niche and the expectations of your audience. This will help retain your current subscribers and attract new ones who are interested in what you have to offer. Investing time and effort in production and maintaining a consistent posting schedule can significantly impact your channel's growth. Running a YouTube channel is not a one-way street. Engaging with your audience and collaborating with other YouTubers is key. Audience interaction is the lifeblood that fuels the growth and vitality of your YouTube channel. It's not just about broadcasting your ideas and content, it's about fostering a dialogue, a conversation. As you respond to comments and participate in discussions, you build bridges between yourself and your audience. These bridges are pathways of trust and loyalty that can turn casual viewers into ardent fans. But how do you foster this interaction? Well, it can be as simple as asking questions at the end of your videos to spark conversation in the comments section. Encourage your viewers to share their opinions, ideas, or experiences related to your content. And don't forget, responding to comments is equally important. It's a way to show your audience that you value their input, and it fosters a sense of community. Community interaction can also take place beyond the comments section. Consider hosting live chats or Q&A sessions where you can engage with your audience in real time. Or perhaps utilize YouTube's community tab to share updates, create polls, or just chat with your viewers. It's all about making your viewers feel heard, valued, and part of a community. Now let's talk about collaborations. Teaming up with other YouTubers can be a powerful way to expand your audience and bring fresh perspectives to your content. Collaborations can take many forms. You could guest star in another YouTuber's video, or they could make an appearance in yours. Perhaps you could jointly create a video on a shared topic, or even host a live stream discussion or debate. Remember, the key to a successful collaboration is finding a YouTuber who shares a similar audience but offers a different perspective or style. This way, both of you benefit from the collaboration, gaining exposure to each other's audiences and bringing new, engaging content to your viewers. So, there you have it. Engaging with your audience and collaborating with other YouTubers are not just optional extras, they're essential components of running a successful YouTube channel. Remember, YouTube is a community, and fostering relationships with your audience and fellow creators can help your channel thrive. Now that you have a growing channel, how do you turn views into revenue? And how do you make YouTube's algorithm work for you? Let's begin with monetization. Monetizing your YouTube channel is the key to turning your passion into a profitable business. There are several ways to monetize your channel, and one of the most common methods is through ads. Once your channel meets YouTube's eligibility requirements, you can enable ads on your videos and earn revenue from them. Sponsorships are another popular monetization strategy. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers and content creators to collaborate with. If your content aligns with a brand, they might sponsor your video, providing you with products, services, or monetary compensation in return for promoting them. Merchandising is another option. If you've built a loyal fan base, selling merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or even digital products related to your channel's niche can be a substantial source of income. But to truly succeed and maximize these monetization strategies, you need to understand YouTube's algorithm. The YouTube algorithm is the complex system that decides which videos to recommend to viewers. It's driven by several factors, including how much time viewers spend watching your videos, the number of likes, comments, and shares your videos receive, and how often viewers return to your channel. The more your content aligns with these factors, the more likely the algorithm is to recommend your videos, leading to more views, more engagement, and ultimately, more revenue. So how do you make the algorithm work for you? Firstly, create engaging content that keeps viewers watching. The longer viewers stay on your video, the more the algorithm favors it. Secondly, encourage likes, comments, and shares. These actions signal to YouTube that your content is engaging and valuable. Lastly, post regularly and consistently. This keeps viewers coming back for more, which the algorithm loves. In conclusion, monetization and understanding YouTube's algorithm are intertwined. The more you understand the algorithm, the more effectively you can monetize your channel. Monetization and understanding YouTube's algorithm are crucial for turning your passion into a profitable business.
Solution has no borders or walls, just adventure and education. Please let us know your thoughts.